Hey, what's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'll show you how you can do screen recording on your Mac. Now you can see I'm on my MacBook Air and it is running the latest version of macOS Catalina, and every Mac has this application called QuickTime Player. So let's see how you can just screen record with this application. At first you need to open the application as I already did. Now let's cancel the window. Okay, after cancelling it, go to the top left side, click on the file, click on new screen recording, and after that it will show various options. Over here you can see various options. So at the bottom left side you can see the capture entire screen, so it's basically means screenshot. After that we have capture selected window, it means it captures screenshot, like same things. After that we have selected portions, that means whatever you select is going to be on the screenshot. After that we have two options for screen recording. So the first option is record entire screen, so it will record whatever you have on the screen. After that we have select a portion, like if I select this portion, the screen recording will be only these portions. Now let's click on this record entire screen and we'll be good to go. Here you can see record entire screen and record. Wait a second. 4 3 2 1 and it already started. So alright, click on OK, it's accessing the microphone, and if I just simply click on this place, the screen recording will stop. Here you can see it's a simple small dot over here it is showing. So you can screen record whatever you want on your screen, and it is really smooth and fluid. It will never hang or lag. So whatever resolutions you have, it will automatically record that quality resolutions, things like that. So it's an amazing application. Now if I just simply click on this place, it will stop the recording. Okay, click on this. Okay, so this is the screen recording. After that you just simply quit from this little X, and here's the screen recording saved already on our screen. As you can see, that is how you can screen record on your Mac. If you have low-end Mac like mine, like MacBook Air, then you should definitely use the built-in screen recorder because it is fast, fluid. Alright everyone, hope you all really enjoyed the video. If you guys really enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon and do whatever you just want. I'll catch you in another one. Till then, goodbye.